Hey friends, this is Nimmi Vincent. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to manipulate the tables in Microsoft Access. First of all, I would like to give you a little bit of information regarding tables. The tables are the building blocks of a database and are used for storing data. A table is made up of rows and columns as shown in this table which I created in my database, which is titled Library. And a database can have one or more tables. So here in this database I have created only one table which is named Books, and the database name is displayed on the top in the title bar, and here you can see the name of the database and the folder. Here the name of the database is library.accdb. Here .accdb is the file extension of a database file which is created in Microsoft Access. So in this video I will demonstrate the components of a table, various views of a table, and adding or deleting records in a table, and so on. So I will explain these stuff with the example of the database named Library which I have created for you. Here already I have made a table named Books. First of all, we can see various components of a table. The important components of a table are field or attribute, records, and so on. So here you can see field or attribute. Here you can see different fields in this table which I have created. First field name is book ID, and the second field name is book name. Third field name is author. Next one is publisher, then issue date, return date, etc. So the columns in a table are known as fields or attributes. A field is a named unit of information. A field stores one type of information about all the objects or items. Every field has a data type that determines the type of values that can be stored under it. Here, for example, the field name book name stores the text values, and the field issue date and return date stores date or time values. So let us learn more about field data types. So to see various field data types, first we have to open the table in design view. For that, you have to place your mouse pointer on the table like that. Then you have to right click over there. Then you will get the option design view. You just click over that. So this is the design view of the table, and here you can see field names which you had given when you created the table, data type of the respective field, and the description of the field. So here for book ID I have given the data type as auto number. That means it contains the numerical value, and for each record it will have the automatic number which is increased by 1. For example, if the first record of the first book, it will have the book ID number 1. And for the next record of the next book, it will have the book ID with the number increased by 1, which means number 2. And for the third book details, it will have the book ID number 3, and so on. And I have set the book ID with the primary key. On the left side here, you can see the symbol of primary key. You can set the primary key by clicking on the toolbar on the top over there, and there you can see primary key button. In that way you can set the primary key for a field. The main advantage of the primary key is to avoid the duplicated entries or the repeated entries of a field value. For example, the field named book ID must not contain the repeated values or the duplicate values. Each book has its own code or book ID. It should not be repeated. To avoid the duplicated entries by mistake, we are setting book ID as the primary key. Then you can see the next field, author. Author means the writer. So the name of the writers of the books will be containing the letters from A to Z. So it should be, the data type should be short text. Then if we are looking at the field issue date and return date of the books from the library, its data type should be specified with date or time. It should not be any other than this. The date value should be date or time. Now here I would like to show you how to add a new field in your table. For example, if I want to add one new field named year of publishing of the book. So I'm just giving the name in capital letter, year of publishing. So if you want to add the field names to your table, you have to open the table in design view, and you can set the field name, its data type and description. Now this is only year, not the date. So I'm just clicking and selecting number from the list of data types, because it should be a numerical value. So it should be number. Then you can add the new fields as per your convenience. After adding the new fields, you can go to the top near the title bar, and here you can see the save button to save the table. Now we can open the table in data sheet view. As I told you, there are two views of a table. One is design view that you are viewing now. Then other view is data sheet view. For that you have to place the mouse pointer near the table and double click on the table. Then you will see the details of the records which you created in your table. So data sheet view displays the details of the table and the values of the data which you have entered in the table. And here you can see book ID, book name. Here book name you can't see full, so you can increase the width of the column like this. In the same way, here also you can increase the width of the column like that. That's so easy. Now I would like to show you how to add new record in your table. So here one important content of a table is record. Here record. Here now in my table there are 3 records already created. Here you can see first record, then second record and third record. The rows in a table are known as records. A record stores complete information about an object or an item. For example, here the table books has 3 records which displays the details of the books. And the other important attribute of the table is primary key, which I had explained earlier. Now here I will show you how to add new record in your table. For that, you have to click anywhere in the table like that. Then on the Home tab, when you click over Home tab, you will get many groups. In that groups, you will see Records group. The group named Records. Inside this group, you will see the button New. You can click over there. Automatically, the new blank record will be opened at the bottom over there. You can just click and you can type the details like this. You can type the details. I'm just typing the details. And the dates you can select from the calendar, which is automatically displaying. And the return date also I'm just selecting from there. Then year of publishing. Alright, see here you can see the remaining records is missed some field like year of publishing. So here also you can add the value. You can add the data here in the empty box. If there is any mistake in your data entry, you can correct over there like that. Just click, select the text and you can edit. Alright. So if you want to add one more record, what do you have to do? Click anywhere in the table like that, then go to Home tab, then select Records group. From there you have to click New button. Then just place the mouse pointer in your required field and do the data entry like that. Now I am typing the details for the next book. If you want to copy paste like that, if it is same publisher, you can copy the same data like that and you can paste. Now I am selecting the issue date and return date. And the year of publishing. Alright. Now I will show you how to delete a record. If you don't want to keep one record in your table, you can delete. So how you can delete the record? You have to place the mouse pointer on the required record here at this area at the left side. Suppose here I don't want to keep the second record, so I'm just clicking the left button of the mouse, so the entire record will be selected. Then you can go to records group. There you can see delete. Just click over there. You will get one confirmation window. Are you sure you want to delete the records? If you want to delete, you can click yes. So here I don't want to delete, so that's why I'm just selecting the no option. Alright. Now how you can see the records in ascending order or descending order. That means in the alphabetical order. You can arrange the records of a table in alphabetical order. For example, if I want to arrange the records of these books in the ascending order or in the alphabetical order of the book name, so I must click book name over there like that. Then you will see in Home tab sort and filter group like that on the top. Sort and filter group. There you will see ascending. There you will see A to Z. Just click over there. So now you can see that the records of the books are arranged or sorted as per the ascending order or alphabetical order from A to Z. Alright. After making changes, you can click the save button from the top, or you can go to file menu, save. Alright. So my dear friends, I hope that you got lots of information about the manipulation of table and the data inside the table. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.